So you got your bags packed, you've said goodbye to your friends, you are ready for your amazing cruise vacation. But, did you forget something? What was it? We're gonna talk about the top 5 things that people forget to do before their cruise vacation right after this. What's up guys, my name is Josh Holcomb. In today's video, like I said, we're going to be talking about the top 5 things that you got to do before your cruise vacation. Listen, if you like cruise tips, cruise reviews, cruise news, and most importantly, cruise vlogs, go ahead and consider hitting that subscribe button right down there below this video with the notification bell turned on. Well, let's go ahead and jump right into it. Number 1 on our list is definitely going to be your flight check-in, and you're going to want to check the onboard internet prices of the cruise ship that you're going to be going to, because on that 6th day, that 7th day, however long you're cruising, the day before it ends, you're going to want to check in for your flight for the next day if you're flying out. But if you don't have an internet package, you will need to purchase a single-use day package if the cruise lines haven't already, you know, like green-lighted the website or whatever. So you're going to want to check the prices of that so you're not surprised when you get on board a day. Now, I'll go ahead and tell you, most cruise lines, it's between $10 and $15 for a single day, all access, pass, use, that kind of thing. If you don't have any kind of internet plan, you're going to want to make plans to go ahead and get that for your last day, or you can get the early bird check-in, like I know Southwest does that, where you can go ahead and like pay for them to auto check you in 24 hours before, and that may end up saving you a little bit of money there as well. But flight check-in and checking onboard internet prices, definitely something you don't want to forget before your next cruise. Number 2 on our list is going to be to call your bank. Call your bank, let them know that you are leaving the country. I cannot tell you the amount of times that I've heard people say that, you know, they went on their cruise, they went into the islands, they tried to use their credit card, and they couldn't because it was flagged. I've actually personally had that happen. So make sure that you call your bank, let them know. They can go in and type up a memo, type up a note on your card, on your account, and you know, you can even say specific, you know, what card you're going to be using. That way they don't flag it as a fraudulent purchase, okay? So make sure you call your bank before your cruise vacation. Let them know you're leaving the country, give them the dates so they don't flag your purchases. Number 3 on our list of things to do before your cruise vacation is definitely going to make sure that you get your mail service stopped or paused, or you have a neighbor come and pick it up, okay? The worst thing would for you to be coming back and have a whole bunch of mailbox slips that says you got to go to the post office to pick up your mail. That would be awful. So make sure you give them a call, go in, stop into the post office a day before your cruise, or 2 days even, and let them know that you're going to be leaving the country. That way they can put your mail on pause until you get back. Number 4 on our list of the things to do before your cruise vacation is adjust your AC and thermostat settings in your house. Listen, if you are not going to be in your house, there is no need to have it being cooled the entire week that you're gone. So go ahead and raise it up, you know, 4 or 5 degrees than what you normally have it, and that is going to make sure that your bill is, you know, you're not paying for unused AC and electricity and, you know, just that kind of thing. Save yourself a little bit of money while you're out there having fun on vacation. So definitely don't forget to change your AC and thermostat settings, and you can also, if you want, maybe add a drop of Lysol to the toilet bowls so those stay fresh and clean while you're gone as well. And finally, number 5, let a neighbor know that you are going to be leaving so that they can keep an eye on your house. Maybe you have plants outside that you need to be watered. Let a neighbor know, you know, if they see anything suspicious, let them know, hey, you can call this number if you have an emergency contact, or just call the police. But you definitely want to let your neighbors know that you're out of town so that they can keep an eye on your place for you. Well guys, there you have my list, the top 5 things that I think that you should be doing before your cruise vacation. I know that it has helped me a ton just going through this checklist before our cruise, making sure that I've got all those ticks checked off, and it makes the cruise vacation such a smooth and easy breeze and stress-free. So make sure that you do these 5 things before your next cruise vacation. Listen, if you're new here and you haven't already subscribed, but you did enjoy this video, you digged the vibes, please go ahead and hit subscribe right down below this video with the notification bell turned on. That's going to let you know each and every time that we upload something new, something fresh right here on this YouTube channel. Until next time, my name is Josh. It's been real, it's been fun, it's been real fun. We'll see you real soon on the high seas.